Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm over here on DIXIE Highway, just 1 block north of TAFT, and there's an abandoned industrial spur here that I just found. Here you can see where it used to come off the main line. This is facing north. You can see the ties there, and then over here you can see the actual spur. There's a rail there to my right. It used to come this way, southbound. See, it wasn't standard clearance. I'm guessing it's been abandoned for a while because I don't even see traces of the crossing gates or cross bucks, anything, no signal box. So it goes there, it goes south here, it crosses DIXIE Highway, and then it just goes into that sidewalk. They paved over it with the sidewalk. In other words, they put the sidewalk over it. Yeah, there's no traces anywhere, no pavement markings, so been abandoned for a while. Alright guys, I'm waiting for a train here. Just give you a quick shot of the railroad crossing over here on TAFT. And then they're also going to be replacing the rails here, I see, because a few blocks south, they brought some ties, the new concrete ties there, and they're removing some of the old wooden ties. And I also seen some rails up ahead. So yeah, this is a quick shot again of the spur. This is walking north again. Alrighty guys, well, please remember to like, subscribe, or share, and I thank you very much for viewing. Bye bye.